Hi, Lee and Kaylee. I'm going to look at your work together. Let's see, I got Lee's downloaded. All right, Lee, I really like your design style. I think you already have a professional way with the way you do things. I encourage you, though, until you're in a full-time, fast-paced job, not to use stock photography at all because it gets overused. And um, basically, you want to bring something creative to the table every time you're trying to get a job. So this seems like it's just for internal use, but in the future, if you're going to show anything to a client, especially for a big corporation, like let's say you wanted to work for Coke, take the photos yourself, trust me. So that said, this is a fantastic presentation. It's really admirable what you've done here. Admirable, I would say that wrong. But the sunglasses in this box, the graphic design, everything about it is fantastic. And it really makes me wonder if you're going to do it. Are you really going to do this? If so, what a fantastic leave behind. Great design. I love the glasses. I like your restrained color palette. I've never been a fan of like the clip art icons, but I think you use them in a really smart way. Let me see what this says. Big things happen with a shared vision. Fantastic. You're even connecting the concept with like a tagline. I think it shows that you're more than ready to take on a lot of responsibility and work at a serious ad agency. It's a lot of really great stuff. That said, I hope you do send them out to people, and I hope that you aim high. You know, look up the most amazing ad agency. Where they have a playground and massage and fantastic benefits, and send this to them. See what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna get yours, Kaylee. Now that it has downloaded. All right. So, all right, and your thought is to make a document. All right, fantastic. So, a leave behind booklet. Hold on a second. Take a second and read your notes. So about $5 for a little book. I think that's cool. I think it's easy enough though for you to copy and paste your own images on there. Just as far as this presentation is concerned. But it'll be fun for you to have these around and you leave them at people's desks. I don't know if it's something that they would keep around for a long time, but an in-person interview, it's a nice thing to leave. You definitely have a lot of very strong portfolio work. But that said, do consider here who your competition is. Um, if honestly, if you were an employer, you got a little book from somebody, and then you got this box with the glasses inside, who would you hire? I say this with love. I do think that this is a good leave behind. Is it a stellar leave behind? Maybe not. Maybe not. So consider that. What might else you do for this? Um, really put your creative juices to work here. All right, let me know if you have any questions.